Right? Ta ta ra ra ta 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 pa pa ta ra ra ta 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 ta. Right?
Yeah. A little nutcracker moment.
Exactly. Exacto. For real. Okay, so we do. Then jump. Second position. Close. Jump. From that jump, you have to jump. Yes, I know it's redundant. You jump up and then fall into the plie with the attitude. So, ba, 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 ba. So it's jump, plie, but the plie, it's the attitude, right? Please use those magic feet, right? That's what gets you out. That's that little oomph. Then of course the rest of the body's gotta come up with it and help. But they're the ones, right? I'll tell you what. Let's do it from here. In. Okay, okay, turn. Okay, turn. Toom, ba, down, up, ba, da, da, ba, 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 ba,
Okay, so you're jumping the attitude, then falling on play. You're not going up and relegating.
You do ba, 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 ba.
Okay.
Yes?
Gotta be.
And then from there, step back, up, fix, light again.
Is that how I want to?
Yes, if you can. I think it's easier, honestly, when you come from here to just go here than go flat.